Yeah, baby. Yes.
Oh, hell, little bitty thing. That's a brim.
It's a brim?
Wait, try it.
Yeah. That's it, baby. First one in the morning. Probably, I don't know, 10 minutes of being here. Golly. Woo! Number two. Number two, baby. Number two. Number two. Jeremy, today's gonna be awesome, dude. Caleb, what are you doing, dude?
Pretty good one,
Yeah, I know. That's number two. 3 more casts. Yeah, baby. Hey, I tell you right now, y'all. You cannot go wrong with this sexy dog. Strike King, they annihilate it. There he is, though. Yeah, that's a good one. Jeremy's on one. Let me get down here where I can see him. Get this undone. Good job, dude. Right that thing around this way. Oh yeah. Stick your hand right in his mouth. Oh, you barely hooked him.
got him in the eye.
He's got it, folks. He's got it. Good job, Jeremy. Hold that thing up. Let me see it right quick. Folks, we have not been here for probably 15 minutes. And we already hooked up. I've caught 2. That's his first one. Look at that son of a gun. Heck yeah. It's a pretty good one, y'all. I tell you right now, it's a fighter. Here he goes. Oh my God. Oh God. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hey, this is a big one, dude. Yeah. As soon as I threw it in there. Jeremy, this is a good one. No, I got it. Ah!
Dang. I think if we was keeping them, we'd already have 4
That's the third one for me on CB Outdoors. Tell y'all now, we are wearing them out. This is what we're doing. We had to get in the water. We had to get in the water because it got real good, y'all. So, oh, it came off. It came off.
He spit it out.
Dude, I just have mine skipping on top of the water. And there it is. That's gonna do on camera. Caleb got one. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at him. Oh, he's fighting too. Got him. Oh.
Good job, Kelly. Another one on, baby. This makes them a 4 for me. Hey, this is a good one, y'all. Yep. Get them on hung. Yeah, look at that one. That's number 4 for me. Hooked up, hooked up, hooked up, hooked up. Is it a good one? Good job, dude. Hey, I got a good one, y'all. Caleb, go right up in that hole right there. Hurry. And catch one to come back. We'll all get a picture together. That way. Yeah. Right here? Right here. I'm trying to get down in there. What did you say? Right here? Where are you going? You going that way? Yeah. What? All right, go ahead. There's probably one or two snakes up here. I ain't following him no more, Jeremy. He's slippery, dude. Caleb, help me out. Come on, Jeremy. Alright, y'all, we made it up there. That was crazy. Slippery as everything. I know. Oh, a good one. A good one, Jeremy.
Good one.
A good one, Papa. Easy, son.
That bitch is lost, though.
No. Folks, we lost that one. right, CB Outdoors, that's gonna do it for today. We ended up with, I caught 4 stripe and a largemouth bass. Caleb,
I caught 2 stripe.
2 stripe, and how many you lose?
1 largemouth, 1 stripe.
All right, and Jeremy, what'd you?
I ended up with 2 stripe and lost a pretty good one. It was a pretty good day.
All right, y'all, that's gonna do it here for CB Outdoors. Y'all like, subscribe my channel. We'll try to put more content on here. And until next time, see ya.